Let's look at this Kotlin application. This is a simple one that is divided in three main classes here. Little application that finally asks a username to format a greeting message. You can see here at the end the greeting message. And we have a user application that uses a user service, ask the username and then to ask the user and then format the message. This user service follow to find the user by its name and format a greeting message. And then at the end, our user repository is managing all the user data. Then quickly, how we can do that, you see with just a bunch of annotations. To start, then we need to annotate our components we would like to declare. Then, for example, we can go on user application. We can use @singleton on the first class. We can use @singleton on our user service implementation that is making the service implementation, right? The user service implementation. And at the end, we can use @singleton on user repository. You may see that @singleton is just annotating the class. It's detecting the constructor, then I don't have to indicate anything else. And also it's detecting the binding. Then it's detecting constructor and binding directly for you. Once we have that, we need to gather these as a module to gather those definitions. And we need a class, for example, user app module. And we just need @module annotation. It won't be enough. @module annotation just create the module itself. Then, for example, you can create definitions, a tag by function inside. But if we want to scan for a given package, we need to use @component_scan. @component_scan will scan annotated component in the current package. And we are scanning in all Koin sample. And then you see that all my components are here directly. Then that's okay. And now we need a Bootstrap entry point. Then I'm not in a specific kind of application, it's pure Kotlin, then I need to create a special entry point to start Koin and then call it to run the container. Let's call it Koin user app, and you need KoinApplication, and that's it. Let's do start Koin function. It will be generated Koin annotation, then we can put already the import here. It's got org.koin.ksp generated, and then we don't need anymore to create and wire everything by hand. You see it was passed by constructor already. Then we are using constructor injection directly. What we need is here as Koin to retrieve our object. Then it's user application. And we don't need to pass this anymore by hand. And then we will have the same. I need to pass my modules here, user app modules, here up, and then I can pass things here. Then you see it working. We can pass Bob also, Bob, Alice. It's running. Then if you try to run Arnaud, then it doesn't find anything. Then let's go back with Alice. And finally, you see here, I'm linking to my entry point, my Koin module. I can even do configuration scan of any annotated module class. KoinApplication will scan every module that has this configuration tag on it, and then it will be able to run. I don't have to specify the running definitions. Then you see it's making the link. You can even look at what is generated. We are showing that it's detecting configuration modules, and you see here it's my user modules, even here the generated module definition in Koin.